Used daily and by every member of the family, a bathroom deserves just as much attention as any other room. If you have been given an opportunity to start from scratch or update your existing space, it's well worth investing time to get it just right. I have rounded up 5 considerations to keep in mind when designing your dream bathroom. Number 1, bathroom layout. A well designed bathroom will not only look good but will be functional too. While working on the bathroom layout, start by considering how you use the bathroom in the morning and set the placement so that it can be most effectively catering to that purpose. Majority of the bathrooms we design, we keep the bathroom vanity right next to the door as it is used most frequently, which is followed by the western closet, the WC, and finally by the shower area. Always consider the current plumbing and electrical outlets as it can be a little difficult and expensive to move them. You would also want the light controls and the outlets to be closer to the bathroom vanity. Second point, division of the bathroom in dry and wet area. This is a problem I see in so many bathrooms. Wet area is that part of the bathroom where you take a shower, hopefully daily, which is 32 by 32 in size. It can be bigger. The dry area is the area you place WC and vanity and other accessories there. There should always be a division in the floor of dry and wet area to prevent the entire bathroom from flooding when you're taking a shower. Third point, use anti-slip tiles. Always use anti-slip coated tiles on floor of the dry area. And for the wet area, the best suited option is to have a tile with grooves on every 2 inch distance. By doing this, we avoid any chance of slipping even if there is shampoo or soap on the floor. This is a must for bathrooms which will be used by older generation people as it can lead to serious injuries and big medical bills. Our fourth point, ace your lighting. Lighting plays a key role in the bathroom functionality and mood. Good lighting can help elevate even small and dingy bathrooms. You might want to set a relaxing tone all over the bathroom by using warmer light, but always use harsher and brighter lights in form of a hanging light or something else over the bathroom vanity. Dimmers and smart lights are also a very good option to use in the washroom as they're a quick way of switching the ambience lighting and the task. Our fifth important point is the storage. Bathrooms are one of the hardest working rooms in the house. They need to be organized and tidy. If you are working with limited space, try going up rather than out. What do I mean by that? Invest in stacked floating shelves, minimalist and inexpensive. Also, install a towel hook behind the bathroom door so you can put your used towel and they are not openly visible. Invest in a vanity with storage behind the mirror or one with ample storage under the counter to help keep your toiletries. Now I hope these tips will help you spruce up your bathroom. Subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and click in the link in the bio to see our anti-skid tile collection which BSPL and Sampling House has. Thank you.